everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's cooking video, I am going to be making up some budget-friendly chicken fajitas with some Spanish rice on the side. I've already washed my bell peppers, as you can see, and this is the seasoning that I'm going to be using. It's very simple to use your own seasoning if you have everything on hand, but I'm gonna go ahead, chop up my bell peppers and onions, and I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys see what I do. But I want to start sharing more budget-friendly meals just because I know that with price inflation and it's getting very difficult for families to really come up with meals that are not as expensive, because we're all right now trying to kind of pay attention to what we're spending to make our dollars stretch. So I do want to create more videos to kind of show you all some more ideas that is not going to break the bank. So you guys, I am right now preparing the Spanish rice. Now, what I did not realize is on the back of the box, it does tell you to include a can of diced tomatoes. And unfortunately, I did not have any on this particular day. So I just made the rice without the diced tomatoes, which is what also enhances it to become a Spanish rice per se. But even without me adding the diced tomatoes, the rice was still very flavorful and it was very delicious. So um, just be aware, if you are going to be preparing this Spanish rice, it does call for a can of diced tomatoes. So if you guys would like to duplicate this meal, I purchased everything from Kroger. The most expensive item was the chicken breast strips. They were priced at $6.29. The total for this meal was $18.98. So it's under $20, but you can definitely get it even under $15 if you substitute for cheaper items compared to what I use. So it's very possible to prepare this meal under $15. But please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Love you. Take care.